Greetings, beautiful creatures. My name is Angel Nightmare. Let's grab your squirt bottle and ski ski! Using water activated face paints today. Links to all the products that I use are in the description as always. Look at this bitch. Always forgetting something. Start the damn video already. We got makeup to do. So here what you do is you just squirt your little squirt bottle in your water activated makeup, and honestly you should have used a different brush than me, but I was not prepared to make this video. I'm never prepared for anything. But we're just filling the bottom side of our face, fully white. Give yourself a beard. Now you're Santa Claus. Look, you look beautiful. You're like Santa Claus. Yeah, honestly, you shouldn't make it this hard on yourself. It wouldn't have been as hard on me if I would have chose the right brush. I would recommend using some type of large fluffy brush? Hell, no. I would recommend you to use a large fluffy brush, kind of like how I do the second half of this video, like I should have done the first half of this video. So, how are you doing today? Just killing some time for this part of the voiceover, because there's not really much I had to explain, because I'm taking a long time doing this part of the video that really should have not taken it this long, because, you know, I'm smart. And look. This, my dude using the dry beauty blender to try to fix this shit. You see, I'm smarter than that. Me, future Angel, would have not made that mistake. Now that it looks like you're on cocaine, put some white setting powder on your face. Demonetized. The white powder is going to make your makeup look more even because you used the wrong brush, and it's also going to help your makeup last longer. See, now this brush, this right here, this is a choice that future Angel would advise. Use a brush like this when you're applying water activated makeup like this. I mean, just look how much better this is. It's smoother, it's more even, it's just... Wow, amazing. So pretty much what I'm doing is just making sure it's spread evenly, and then I'm going to go around my eyes and get it close to my hairline as well. And the line at the bottom doesn't have to be even unless you're going for a more even straight line. I would say, you know, put a lot of time into it. But what I'm doing is kind of giving it like a distressed kind of look. Then I'm going over it with the stippling sponge and adding, like, you know, some small dots. And I'm also going to swipe a little bit to put some more fine lines, just to make it look a little bit more distressed. Now it's time for our favorite part, putting on the eyebrows that are going to be 100% even, no mistakes here. You legitimately have to do this part with a lot of care. You gotta be really careful. Is that even? Is that even? I think that's even.
Nope.
So now, doing our best to fix this, we're gonna go in with our liquid eyeliner, you know, the Revlon Color Stay, the one that I always use for my eyebrows, and we're gonna do our best to try to make this even. I'm gonna need your help here, and I think you can help me get the eyebrows a little bit more even if you just go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me real quick. We did it! So now we're gonna hit that simple smoky eyeshadow underneath the eye to make us look a little bit more angry, you know, like we're about to explode, like we're 15 years old and we're filled with hormones and we just want to yell at our parents, you know, that's kind of smoky under eye shadow. That's what we're gonna do at this moment here. And then yada yada yada, blend the shit out, you know, same shit with every little smoky eyeshadow video on YouTube. Oh, we done? And this is how you look like an explosive Voltorb, the Pokemon. And if you have any other suggestions or ideas of any other Pokemon you'd like me to do, leave it in the comment section below, and I will be sure to get to that. It's not a Voltorb without the little angry anime vein in the forehead, so we're gonna go ahead and add that real quick. Boom. You're done. You're now an angry Voltorb about to explode. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smack that notification bell, and bite that like button on the way out. I'll see you in the next video.